Other people's win is not your loss. Aminin natin, ang hirap hindi ikumpara yung sarili mo if you're chronically online. Parang no matter how much you have, you can't help but compare yourself to others. Para I have to be twice as good to get half of what they have. Ganun minsan yung pag-iisip ko. Hindi dapat ganun. Kasi pag nananalo yung mga kaibigan ko, nananalo yung mga tao sa paligid ko, hindi ko naman pagkatalo yun eh. As long as the dice are still rolling, you will get your 6. Until then, you will clap for others and show love. Ganun dapat, diba? These people are not competition. These people are your friends. These people are your comrades. So pag nagwagi sila, wagi mo yun. Dapat napaproud ka kasi you are surrounded with people that are winning, and that's in itself is already a win. So yung inggit na naramdaman mo, for sure hindi mo mawawala yan. But use that inggit to propel you and to make you dream more. So, root for other people but still root for you. Maniwala ka pa rin na dating din yung pagkakataon mo.